Do you let employees carry unused holiday into the next year? A simple carryover policy can reduce the year-end rush, give teams more flexibility, and help people actually take the time off they have earned. In leave dates, carryover is optional, but you can automate it in just a few clicks. Go to Settings, then Allowances, and open the allowance you want to update. In the side panel, you'll see the active policies. If there's a carryover policy, open it to review the settings. If not, click Add New Policy. Choose Carryover, Unused Allowance, then name the policy. Now, set your rules. Firstly, enter the maximum carryover. That's the maximum number of days an employee can carry into the next leave year. Then set an expiry period. This is how long into the following year they have to use those carried over days. A common setup is 5 days maximum, expiring after 3 months. It gives people a little breathing space, while still encouraging proper rest. Save your changes. At year end, leave dates calculates unused allowance, applies your limits, carries it into the next year and deducts it from the previous one. When the expiry period ends, any unused days are removed. And that's it. You've set a clear carryover policy, and you can feel confident that it will be applied consistently without any extra work from you.
Leave dates, putting the whoop into out of office.